make the best use of the session, I suggest you do two things. Number one, go through my theory session on legal reasoning. The link to the session is given on the description below. Second, create a free sign-up account on our website and solve the exercise on your own before you go through the video. The process for the free sign-up is also given on the description below. Now that you would have done both the things, let's start with the class.
वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, एक और पैसेज करते हैं। ये पैसेज रिलेटिवली काफी सिंपल है बिकॉज प्रिंसिपल बहुत ही सिंपल है और लिमिटेड है इस पैसेज में। तो करते हैं साथ में। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑन March 17, 2020 granted eligibility for grant of permanent commission for women officers in the Navy. Permanent commission मिल जाएगी। Women can sail with same efficiency as male officers and there should be no discrimination. The application for permanent commission will be considered based on the availability of vacancies, but ऐसा नहीं कि सबको मिलेगा. It is based on the availability of vacancies and the recommendation of the Chief of Naval Staff. तो पहले ये था कि बस मिलना ही नहीं है. If you are a female, आपको permanent commission नहीं मिलेगा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि आप मिलेगा subject to vacancies and the recommendation of the Chief of Naval Staff. Okay. A permanent commission entitles an officer to serve in the Navy till he or she retires, unlike short service commission, which is currently 10 years and can be extended by 4 more years or a total of 14 years. So let's say pehle a female naval officer could have worked maximum for 14 years. 10 साल उसका था, 4 साल extend हो सकता था. लेकिन अब कब तक करेगी वो? जब तक रिटायर नहीं होता है. Retirement age is not given here, so we can safely say whatever the retirement age is, तब तक वो काम कर सकती है. तो अगर उसने 20 में ज्वाइन करा और 60 तक रिटायरमेंट एज है तो मैक्सिमम इज 40 years of duration, 40 years duration of employment. ठीक है. A division of bench of justice D.Y. Chandrachud, okay, said denying permanent commission for women amounts to miscarriage of justice. Why? Because it said there cannot be gender discrimination in granting permanent commission to women officers in a navy after the statutory bar was lifted by the center in 1992 to allow entry of women in a navy. तो 1992 से पहले inference based question बन सकता है, शायद women allowed नहीं थी, ठीक है. Once statutory bar was lifted to allow entry of women officers, then male and female officers are to be treated equally in granting permanent commission, the court said. ठीक है. The bench rejected the center's stand that women officers in navy can't be granted sea duties because its Russian vessels don't have washrooms for them. तो सेंटर का ये स्टैंड था कि हमारे रशियन वेसल्स पे वॉशरूम नहीं है उनके लिए, तो उनको परमानेंट कमीशन नहीं देना चाहिए. इस पे बेंच ने ऑब्वियसली रिजेक्ट करा इसको और बोला है देयर इज इनफ डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस टू सजेस्ट women officers in navy brought accolades to the force, it said. तो इस आर्गुमेंट को कोर्ट ने जो है खारिज कर दिया. ओके. The verdict also grants permission benefits to women officers in the navy who have retired prior to the date of the judgment and were not granted permanent commission. तो इसका रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव इफेक्ट है जजमेंट का कि आज हमने जजमेंट करी. जजमेंट कब दी है? 17 मार्च 2020. 17 मार्च 2020 से पहले जो भी विमेन नेवी ऑफिसर रिटायर हुई है जिसको परमानेंट कमीशन नहीं मिला था, उन सबको पेंशन मिलेगी. ठीक है. वाइल क्लैरिफाइंग, ये इंपॉर्टेंट देखो, अगर मुझे क्वेश्चन बनाना होगा तो मैं यहां से क्वेश्चन बनाऊंगा. While clarifying that pension benefits would not be available to officers who retired after the date of the decision, which is 17 March 2020 के बाद जो रिटायर करा and who had not opted for permanent commission. तो 17 मार्च के बाद मैं रिटायर हुआ हूँ, लेट्स से मैं हुआ हूँ 2022 में मैं रिटायर हुआ एज अ फीमेल नेवी ऑफिसर. मुझसे पूछा था परमानेंट कमीशन चाहिए, मैंने कहा नहीं चाहिए, तो मुझे पेंशन बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चंस पे आते हैं. Arora is a woman officer in the Indian Navy. She, along with Lieutenant Singh, a male officer, have served the same duration in the Navy and both apply for a permanent commission. At the time of considering the application, the Chief of Naval Staff orders the Sub-Lieutenant Singh would be granted a PC, but not Arora, since he says women do not have the physical capability. So gender discrimination hai. In light of Supreme Court's judgment described in the passage above, is such an order valid? It is not. The order is not valid because gender discrimination court ने quash करा है कि नहीं होना चाहिए. D is the correct answer. Okay. 2 officers in the Navy, 1 male, 1 female, were being considered for the grant of PC on permanent commission on March 20. Since there was at the time only 1, subject to the vacancy, जो हमें passage में कहा है, तो एक ही है. The supervising officer had to determine which of the 2 officers should be granted PC. After considering all the information at hand, The Chief of Naval Staff noted that the male officer had an impeccable service record. एकदम clean sheet, काफी अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. Whereas the female officer had received certain adverse remarks for her handling of her responsibilities in the past and had not performed as well as a male officer. तो मेरिट के बेसिस पे मेल ऑफिसर ने बेटर परफॉर्म करा एज कंपेयर टू फीमेल ऑफिसर. The Chief of Naval Staff therefore decides to recommend the PC to the male officer but not to the female officer. The female officer claims this is violative of the Supreme Court judgment. Is she right? तो दो चीज है. सबसे पहली बात तो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मना करा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने. यहाँ जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं हो रहा है, या मेरिट के बेस पे इवैल्यूएशन हो रहा है, तो ये तो नहीं हो रहा है. The application of permanent commission will be considered basis the availability of vacancy, तो एक ही है, and recommendation of the Chief of Naval Staff. तो यहाँ पे वो रिकमेंड कर रहा है which is purely on merit. तो is she right? No. And the answer is B. अगला क्वेश्चन. Since January 1, 2020, she has decided not to opt for permanent commission. Until what date at the maximum can she serve as an officer in the Navy? तो अगर permanent commission नहीं है तो पैसेज में क्या बोल रखा है? 10 years and can be extended by 4 more years. So maximum 14 years. ठीक है. So 31st December 2010 को इसका एक साल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. So 14 years अगर आप देखें तो December 13, 2023 तक इसके 14 years कंप्लीट होंगे. So this is the maximum duration. Okay. Vice Admiral Joshi retired from the Indian Navy on March 22, 2020. क्वेश्चन में गिवन था if you retire after the judgment. जजमेंट कब दिया था? March 17, 2020 को. तो रिटायर तो उसके बाद हुई है. She had decided not to opt for PC. Permanent commission नहीं लिया. Retired after the judgment. ठीक है. Is she eligible for pension after retirement? The answer is no. तो ये दो तो आउट हो गए. अब देखो, no since she has not opted for permanent commission. Correct. Partially correct है. ये तब अप्लाई होता है अगर after the judgment. So D completes the answer. I'm not saying C is incorrect. D completes both the criteria. कि judgment के बाद रिटायर करना है. So therefore, D is the correct answer. Lieutenant Gupta, a woman officer serving the Indian Navy since March 1, 2014, applied for and was granted permanent commission. Until what date at the maximum can she serve as an officer in the Navy? So if you opted for permanent commission, आप तो retirement तक काम कर सकते हो. Retirement की हमें upper limit given नहीं है यहाँ पे, so I can't give you the specific date. But the answer is till he or she retires, which is until she attains the age of retirement, which is option number B. Right? So इसके साथ ये पैसेज कंप्लीट है. प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमारे पोर्टल पे बहुत ज्यादा कंटेंट है, क्वालिटी कंटेंट है. अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं करा हमारे पोर्टल पे जाके गो फॉर अ फ्री साइन अप, द लिंक इज गिवन बिलो. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में.